Hey guys, it's Dale from Elephant Memories. In today's video, I wanted to demonstrate the concept of painting in layers. This technique gives a really cool effect when painting in resin. I have a very simple orchid design that we can paint together in 2 layers. You just need black and white acrylic paint, brushes, and 2 pieces of clear material like glass, clear plexi, or even something as simple as sheet protectors. I have uploaded a file of this orchid design to my subscriber resource page on my website. When you sign up for my free newsletter, linked in the description below, you get access to all the files and tutorials. Feel free to use this for today's exercise. In this example, we want to look at the lowest point of the orca that's visible on the surface. That would be the pectoral fins, or side flippers. For the first layer, we're going to use the outline. Just tape the outline piece behind the clear plexi to secure in place. We just need a dab of black paint for this. When painting on resin or plexi, you will only need to use a clean, wet brush to erase mistakes or clean up edges. For a larger area, you can just use a wet cloth. Pretty easy, right? Okay, so let's start the first layer. Load your brush with black paint and trace the pectoral fins only. Right now, you're creating a canvas with the first layer of paint. You want that paint just beyond the fins under the body, as the second layer will go over this. The paint is a little translucent right now, so we will let this dry and paint over it. You may have to do this once or twice to get the desired results. Remove the outline from the back. Time for the next layer. For this exercise, we will put the outline back underneath the first layer. Then I cut out a green copy of the body. This color is easier to paint over. Place this on top of the first layer. You can use the outline as a guide. Once in place, put the second clear plexi over. Now tape it all in place. Paint the outline just like the first layer. You will end up needing about 3 layers. Fill in the entire outline. We can remove the other layers now. A little of the paint from the first layer rubbed off on the bottom of the second layer. Just clean this off. Of course, there's no need to do this when actually working in resin layers. So I ended up painting 3 layers of black on the second plexi piece and let it dry completely. Now to add some details. I'm going to start with the back ridge. This will give us a bit of a reference. Now we're going to add the saddle back and then the side patches. You won't be able to just use water and a wet brush to clean up the painted edges. You can clean up the edges by painting back over it with black. Here I'm softening the white detail on the back ridge with a little bit of black. Now, just add the head and eye patches. For this exercise, we won't be adding the dorsal fin. Put the 2 pieces back together and see the results. This is just the concept. There's not a lot of details here, and the brush strokes are very visible. But if you were pouring resin over it, it would actually smooth the brush strokes right out. Not only is this fun, but it also gives you confidence and experience for more resin painted layer artwork. It can also be used to see size and position on other projects. It's great inspiration. If you found this video helpful, please click the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.